Bonjour à tous! Welcome back po to Learn French with Lourdes. Today we'll explore one of the most useful topics in any language. You know what? The numbers, okay? In French, we call them les nombres. Les nombres. Numbers are everywhere. When you greet someone, tell your age, order food, go shopping, or travel. That's why learning how to say numbers in French will help you sound more natural and confident. So in this lesson, we'll start from the basic, okay? From 0 to 9, okay? And learn the correct pronunciation. Ready to count in French with me? Okay, let's go with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 et 9. We repeat 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 et 9. Thank you po. So we start from 0. 0. In English it's 0, but here is 0. Okay, we have an example. Il y a 0 foot dans ce texte. Il y a 0 foot dans ce texte. There's no zero mistakes in this text, okay? Walang mali sa tekstong ito, okay? Then we have un. Un. Okay? Un is one, okay? Un. Example. J'ai un frère. J'ai un frère. I have one brother, okay? Meron akong isang kapatid na lalaki. So, 0, 1. Now we have deux. 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 Two. Okay? In English, two. Dalawa. J'ai deux stylos. J'ai deux stylos. I have two pens. Meron akong dalawang panulat. Okay? Ball pen o lapis. Okay? Then we have trois. Trois. Three in English. And trois enfants jouent dans le jardin. Trois enfants jouent dans le jardin. So, the three children are playing the garden o tatlong bata ang naglalaro sa hardin. Okay? So, deux, trois. Deux, trois. Okay? Please practice po. Thank you. Next, we have quatre. Quatre. Four. Apat. Okay? J'ai quatre pommes. J'ai quatre pommes. I have 4 apples. Meron akong 4 na mansanas. Okay? Next, we have cinq. Cinq. 5. Cinq. Cinq oiseaux chantent le matin. Cinq oiseaux chantent le matin. Okay? 5 ibon na ang kumakanta sa umaga or 5 birds sing in the morning. So 5, 5. So 4, 4, 4 et 5, 5, 5. Please repeat them po. 4, 5. Bravo. Now see 6. 6 in English, but mais 6 in French. 6. Okay? 6. Anim, okay? J'ai 6 cahiers. J'ai 6 cahiers. Okay? Pero kung mabibilisan po yon, j'ai 6 cahiers. 6 cahiers. Okay. Next, we have 7. 7 is 7. 7, 7, silent P, 7, OK? 7, OK? Et l'école commence à 7 heures. L'école commence à 7 heures. We do the liaison or dicton or we connect. L'école commence à 7 heures. Okay? So please repeat after me. 6, 7. Okay, very good. Bravo. 6 et 7 po. Thank you. So after 7 or set, we have 8 with. With. Okay? With is 8. Then we have an example for with. Il y a 8 élèves dans la classe. Il y a 8 élèves dans la classe. And we have 9. 9. Okay, 9. Sixième. J'ai 9 ans. J'ai 9 ans. Okay? So, j'ai 9 ans. I'm 9-year-old. Siyam na taong gulang ako. So, j'ai 9 ans. Okay? So, 8 and 9. Pakiulit lang po, please. 8, 9. 8 et 9. Bravo! Merci beaucoup. So, finally, let's count now in French. On va compter en français de 0 jusqu'à 9. OK? So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 et 9. On répète. We repeat. 0. Repeat after me, please. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Bravo! So, wag pong kalimutang i-like, i-subscribe, at i-comment at samahan niyo po ako sa susunod nating mga numero, les noms. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt tout le monde. Au revoir.